Matchback allows you to reveal which conversion cloud modules and sources drive leases to your community by matching customer data with lead data in the conversion cloud. The first thing you will need is a rent roll. So once you have your rent roll, what we're going to do next is pull the important information so that we can input it into the conversion cloud. The only thing you need to do from these rent rolls is grab the names. So for example, you want to copy all in the column so you can grab all that data. We also can use phone numbers and emails, but first and last name is all that you'd really need. Once we have that information from your rent roll, we've copied that data. We want to enter that into either a different Excel spreadsheet or you can use a Google Sheet. I'm using a Google Sheet for this example. And we want to paste that information in. We can title the different columns, first name, last name. We could have middle name, email, and phone number if that is applicable, but we really just need first and last name. And what you want to do is save this file as a CSV file. And once we have this CSV file, we will then navigate back to the conversion cloud. And now that we have that rent roll format and then the information saved as a CSV file, we'll navigate back here to the conversion cloud dashboard and we click on company. And then we want to select Matchback import. We want to choose our file and we hit upload CSV. Here we can name our columns and then we check records. This will go ahead and check for any vacants or any discrepancies and remove them. And all of the ones that have been checked will have been shown in red. So you're able to review them. And then we can save our records. So once this information is saved in the system, we'll navigate to Clarity Attribution. And we can first adjust our date range. You can pick from the predetermined dates or you can set up a custom range. We'll go back to the beginning of the campaign. And once we have our range selected, we'll go ahead into Edit Charts. And we'll navigate to the Matchback charts. There's 6 charts related to Matchback reporting. They're all in a row here. And then we can hit save. That information will now be displayed in front of you here. We have our Matchback leads list. This will display all the leads that have come through the conversion cloud and have showed up as actually leasing. We have our Matchback summary, which is just letting us know an overview of the leads and where they've come from, as well as some of the attribution. And we can see some source information from first touch, multi-touch, as well as last touch. And we can get modules interactions by leads to Matchback's device. Lastly, if you want to create a report, just hit the create a report button. You can name your report and click on create. You can hit dismiss and now this report will create in the background. And once this report has been created, you can download it as a PDF file. So we simply click on the arrow to download as a PDF file and you'll get a chance to preview. You can name your file and save. Another thing that's very useful in reporting is from the main Clarity Attribution screen where you have your Matchback charts displayed. Within the Matchback leads list, you can also export this leads list as a CSV file. And all this information will now be available for reporting. Thank you for watching.